What's up? Let's go. I'm back from the dead. I have to stop my recording. Though. Because I did. I'm sorry I did. It's better. Don't prefer running. It's a keeper. Is there like a Wonderwaff gun like on this? That'd be cool. That's what all the cool kids use. Wow, really? Really? Only took like one bullet to the face. And this thing has like horrible side shot aim. Really? 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 Wow. Really? Really? What if I did that? What if I just like said like really like a billion times? Like really? 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 Like why no really? Oh. What the fuck? That was ridiculous. What the fuck? Was it lagging? Yeah, it must have been like, just like, no, screw you. Like, I swear, like, oh wow, never mind. Okay. This car is lasts forever. Yeah. Yeah, they do. They do. They do. Very good. Even better. Best game on the game. Gary's way. Really? I'm building barriers. Like, really? They gave me this. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to build some barriers. Because I know watching somebody build barriers is really fun. Because I know I love watching. Wow. Wait, isn't this like the door? I think it is. Yeah, but I'm going to do maybe Quest Round 50 on 30s. I don't know for sure. It's okay. I'm gonna use this one. Round 9, different 9%. Oh. I know music. Really? Really, Caleb? You had to play a song? Yes, I do. I have to play it. I have to play it. Ooh, my phone's dying. Gosh dang. Oh yeah, my first video I did on this channel, like, I know it was in HD, but people are watching it on iPhones and iPads. It will show it blurry, so don't get mad at me for, like, the bad video. Like, I know, oh god, no. No. I can't. Something like, oh yeah, a better piece of shit. I can't even hit bar. Are you fucking me? Wow. No, I don't even play music. Now 9 different numbers, same thing. Oh god, what if I just did that the whole game? Round 9 different, round 50 different numbers, same thing. Ooh, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. I'm having sex, touching the girls in China right now. Oh yeah, feels so good, feels so good. I swear, if this like audio glitches up, I'm so mad. I track you. Oh, you got no arm. Oh, that's too bad. What a shame. What a shamus. Oh god. Okay. Was I expecting this outburst? Oh my god, no. No. No, what the fuck? Where are you going? He's like, it's like, no, I'm gonna get in your way. It's gonna, just gonna jump right in front of you. Murder you all. Is he gonna be injured? Okay, gun. Come on. Nothing too exciting. And you know, I'm going to see what time we have. And, now I'm gonna end it. Why end it? Why end it now? The fun has just started. I love how I, like, reload, like, every 2 seconds. Man, I'm doing this all in like a night. And I'm gonna be like, yeah. I played for like 5 hours last night. And, oh god, no. Why? Why? Why do you hit me? Hit me. Oh god, no. Owie. Shut up. What? This is not going to go good. It's not going to go good. Yeah, see? No! No! Are you... Really? Yeah, okay. Well, bye.